Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to go ahead to introduce the new products on my right hand. This is electric countertop, the fryers, and let me give the overall sizes first. This unit is about like a 10.5 inches wide, and the depth of the unit is about like a 16 and 3/4 inches deep. Overall height is about like a 11 and 1/4 inches tall. So as we can see, the units, they come in with the two indicator lights on top of it. One is power, one is heating, and also have a power switch on the side. So they can make the temperature as high as from the 0 to the 375 degrees. And looking the side of the unit, they come in with the two handle ears on the side. And behind of the unit, they come in with the ETL sanitation stickers with all the cut sheets informations using the standard 110 plugs. So from the manufacturer, they give the 110 heights right here. Now we can take closer to see the inner side. And we can see they come in with the top lid. This one made by stainless steel too. And from the one single basket inner side, they can mount on the hinge like this way. And the dimensions of it is about like a 7 inches wide and about like a 8.5 inches long, and depth about like a 4 inches. And for this oil pan inner side space, we can see they have a minimal oils and the maximum oils, the levels right here. That will be the all demonstration information about these products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.